Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video learn about the average X function. So first before going to the detail we'll see what is the average X function. An average X function is a Power BI that calculates the arithmetic mean of an expression for each row of a table here. Now basically it is an iterative average function. This function requires a table and an expression as an argument and excludes non-numeric or null cells. The function returns a blank when there are no rows to aggregate. An average X can be used to create a calculate column that shows the average of distinct value in another column by using the filter and all functions here. Now we'll see in the more details how it calculates, then how we take the average of all the expressions. This is my product hierarchy. Here we have depth, length and width here. So here we calculate the base dimension is product of the length and depth and the volume as well, which is the product of the length, depth and width here. So we'll see how we do it. First go to the new measure. Here we'll give the name average dimension. Average X. Yeah, this is my table product hierarchy. So we'll take this one. Product hierarchy. This is a table name. After that, this is the table name as first argument. After that, the product of length and depth here. Product hierarchy length into now this is my average dimension here. To calculate the average dimension, this is the average X function we are using here to calculate the average of the entire dimension here for each row. Now click on here. Now this is average dimension here. Now we'll take another measure, average volume. Average volume is equal to average X. Now table name here will be product hierarchy. This is my first argument. After that, we'll take product hierarchy depth into length into width. Yes, now this is calculated. So we'll take the card here. Now this is the average dimension here. 203.71. Like that, we'll do some formatting here so that we can distinguish it from other. Now general effect. We'll put some border here to identify and shadow here. Like that, we'll take another card. We'll do one thing. We'll copy paste this one. Now here we'll make the volume. Now this is the average volume here. Now we'll do some more analysis here. We will take the table. Suppose we want to calculate the average dimension and volume category wise. So in this one we will take the category. If we want we can take the subcategory as well. Sorry, this is category, this is subcategory. Now average, this is the average dimension here. The measure triggers only when we move it to the any visual here. This is the average dimension here. So we can see. So that's the average dimension, average volume we can see for each category, subcategory. So we don't want subcategory, we can remove it. Now we can see for a baby care, bakery, beauty and hygiene product, what is the average dimension, average volume. So for further analysis, we can move other field as well, like this is product ID. For each product ID, what is the dimension? If we want, we can move the subcategory as well here. Like that, we can do the analysis here. So total average is 203.71 and average volume is the 7222.98. So this is all about the average X function, how we calculate it, how it works for the given category, subcategory, product ID, whatever field we want. Please like, share and subscribe my channel S&T Power Vision.